The humanitarian crisis in Gaza has intensified following an Israeli military operation that resulted in significant casualties and damage to key infrastructure. On Friday, 22 people were killed and 45 others wounded in shelling near the International Committee of the Red Cross, that is ICRC office in Gaza. This incident comes amid a series of Israeli strikes in the region, which have left at least 30 dead in a Gaza City hospital and other casualties across the territory. The ICRC expressed grave concerns over the proximity of military actions to humanitarian facilities, highlighting the danger to civilians and aid workers. The shelling in the Al-Mawasi area near Rafah was attributed to Israel by Gaza's health ministry, though the Israeli Defense Forces have not confirmed their involvement, stating the incident is under review. In the north, Al-Ahli Hospital in Gaza City reported 30 deaths due to airstrikes. Additionally, a bombing in Gaza City resulted in the deaths of 5 municipal workers, further exacerbating the humanitarian toll. The conflict is not confined to Gaza. The Lebanese-Israeli border has also seen heightened hostilities. Hezbollah, an Iran-backed militant group, has engaged in a series of retaliatory attacks against Israeli positions following an airstrike in southern Lebanon that killed a Hezbollah operative. This escalation has included the use of drones and rocket fire targeting Israeli military barracks. Israel has responded with multiple airstrikes on Hezbollah positions in southern Lebanon, signaling a potential for a broader conflict. The intensifying exchanges have prompted warnings from international leaders. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres cautioned against turning Lebanon into another conflict zone like Gaza, underscoring the catastrophic potential of such developments. The recent violence along the Lebanese border follows the October 7 attack by Hamas militants on southern Israel, which resulted in the deaths of 1,194 people and the capture of hostages. Israel's subsequent military response in Gaza has led to over 37,431 Palestinian casualties, predominantly civilians. Despite ongoing efforts by mediators like Qatar to broker a truce and facilitate hostage releases, progress remains elusive. The prolonged conflict has devastated Gaza's infrastructure, creating severe shortages of food, fuel, and essential supplies. The broader geopolitical ramifications include renewed calls for Palestinian statehood. Armenia's recognition of the state of Palestine has already drawn sharp reactions from Israel, reflecting the global dimensions of the crisis. As the situation evolves, the potential for a wider war looms large, with UN officials and other international actors urging de-escalation to prevent further humanitarian disasters and regional instability.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.